All right, you know how in Elf he does the gross breakfast with the spaghetti and the M&Ms and Pop-Tarts and stuff? We're gonna do that, but today we're gonna use spaghetti pancakes.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge.
When it comes to pancakes, I don't normally measure things. I just kind of put it in until I think it looks good. So we're just gonna see how it goes. So we're just gonna throw in a little bit of pancake mix right in here, just with some crusties. We got that. And then we're just gonna mix in some water. So we're gonna need this one thin, a little thin batter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some water in here. And the key to pancake batter is you do not want to over mix. So we're just gonna keep pouring. We're gonna make it thin because we want it to be able to come out of the squirt bottle. Me, being the wise thinker that I am, got a funnel. So I'm a smart guy. Is it getting everywhere? I can't see. And we're just gonna wait.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
Our griddle's nice and warm, so I'm just gonna take some butter and kind of just go down on the surface really quickly. So we're just gonna go along and do just a nice little line, whoop, all the way across. Huh? Should we do a little zigzag? Oh, ah! There's too many gloops in here, Mike. Mike. With a regular pancake batter, you want more gloops. You want it to be a little bit thicker so that it will rise and puff up. But with spaghetti pancakes, it looks like you kind of want them to stick together now. So when you can mix them up, make sure there's no gloops. So let's try that. Let's make a Christmas tree first though. How about that?
On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9.
All right, we live and we learn, Mike. We live and we learn. We're not making normal pancakes here. So lumps normally are a pretty good thing in pancake batter. So we're gonna do it again. Mike just said we're gonna make it just thicker than water, which I agree with. This should work, Mike. We're just gonna pour this in here, going in as fast as it's coming out, so. Oh, you see that? That is, oh, Mike, we did it. Whoa. Oh, look at that. That's pretty good. All right, hoop. Okay, here we go. So that's our first little batch.
The 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping.
All right, we got our spaghetti done, our paschetti. And now is the fun part where we get to give ourselves diabetes through all the sugar that we put on it. M&Ms, I feel like a 4-year-old kid. Like, what do you want for breakfast? Wow, just right on top. You can't forget the Pop-Tarts. To be extra real, he mixes it up with his hands. If you want to see more stuff, look at this video right here. It's when we smoked the pumpkin pie. Turned out pretty good. And until next time, peace out.